Pinakamurang renton condo sa Ortigas, Pasig, 10,000 cash out only, no spot down payment, 30 days move-in agad, through Pag-ibig financing, lifetime ownership pa at 100% no hidden charges. Napakalapit lang neto sa lahat. Walking distance sa SM malls, schools, supermarket, wet and dry market, commercial establishments at one ride lang going to Makati, BGC, Mandaluyong, Quezon City at Manila. Ready for occupancy na to na pwede mo tiran or paupahan. Pet friendly, flood free at walang fault line sa area ng project. And good news, kami pang bahala mag-process ng loan mo through Pag-ibig, bank or in-house. Click and message button below para makapagpaset ka na ng free site viewing. Habol na habang meron pang 10,000 cash out only promo na may freebies pa. Please like, comment and share kung nagustuhan mo itong video na to. See you clients and click and message button below now.